Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is all about pure Desi summer energy. We are diving into bunch of floral kurta sets that may or may not all be block printed, but trust me, vibe is totally there. Think soft cottons, easy silhouettes. Those are the tones and prints that feel straight out of dreamy Jaipur lane. So I'll take you through each piece one by one, where I'll talk about the fabric, fit, how it feels on the skin, and of course I'll do little chat about how I would style each piece for a chill brunch, a temple visit, or even just for a cute grocery run. So yeah, let's get into it. And as always, everything will be linked below in the description, so no stress even if you want to check anything out later. Alright, first up is this super cute kurta set from brand Indoera, and I have to say it is one of those pieces that feels instantly nice the moment you put it on. But what I love most about this kurta set is this tie-up neck detail. It has these beautiful tassels in two colors. See how cute and pretty they are. It is such a playful touch. It is really a small detail, but it pulls the whole look together beautifully. The kurta itself is A9 and paneled, so it falls beautifully, doesn't cling at all. It's made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is super soft and breathable and totally made for summer season. I can wear this all day. It's got a round neckline and 3/4 sleeves. Kurta is calf length long, which has high-low hemline, which moves slightly when you walk. It is such a subtle detail but super cute. And it has this beautiful white lace all around on the neck, on panels, even on the hemline, which adds the sophisticated touch to this look. This set comes with solid crop trousers, nothing too fancy but very practical. It has half elasticated waistband, so you get nice comfy stretch at the back, and front is really clean and neat. It has one pocket also, but I don't know how to reach that pocket when kurta has no slits. Let's talk about the fit of this kurta. I have ordered size large, which is my usual size, but I feel this will look better if it is slightly loose. So if you are planning to order this, please size up. And the best part about this set is that the kurta comes with super soft pure cotton lining, which makes life super easy. I have styled this look with these pearl hoops and my new Must Harbor heels, which I am loving right now because they pretty much go with everything, and because this is a look which you can easily wear to your office. So I picked up my Van Heusen bag, so you can see the complete look here. Okay, next one is this super elegant pink kurta set from brand Anaina. This set is all about sophistication. This is an anarkali style kurta, and kurta length is below calf for me, and it has this beautiful flare which moves nicely and gives that nice graceful vibe. What really stands out in this look is this piece, which is creating yoke effect. It is a different print which pops against the base and pulls your eyes in, and honestly it is the highlight of this look. This set has small round neck and long sleeves. What I love is they have used the same fabric from yoke on sleeves and trousers too. This coordination is chef's kiss. Just makes this outfit look more intentional and well designed. And wait, there is lace detailing everywhere, on yoke, waistline, sleeves, even on the trousers hem. This is not overdone, just make this look more polished. This set comes with a printed crop trousers, simple, straight, no fuss, balancing the kurta very well. For the styling, I leaned all the way into silver vibes with these oxidized jewelry and my silver thong style heels To create some contrast in this look, I picked up this silver clutch, and this set is totally appropriate for family dinners or even small festive gathering. Alright, this piece is again from Indoera, and this is your everyday hero piece. This is simple, straight, printed kurta set made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is super soft and breathable, basically summer approved. The print is big, bold and vibrant, but not too much, just effortless floral vibe. It is literally perfect for any casual day. It has clean V neckline, 3/4 sleeves, calf length kurta with straight hem. Very simple, very wearable. It is one of those cuts which you can easily wear for running errands, going to work, or even for chilling at home. It comes with matching cropped printed trousers. The print is same as kurta, which I personally love because it gives that coordinated set feel without being too loud or overdone. Of course, the trousers are half elasticated, which means it is comfortable to wear all day. I kept the styling super minimal with these oxidized jewelry and my new Must Harbor block heels because they go with everything and give that just little extra polish. If you have kurta friendly dress code, this set is perfectly office appropriate, where you look sharp but still stay comfortable all day. This next one is so pretty. It is from She by Sassafras, and I instantly fell in love with its print and flare. It's pure cotton anarkali style kurta set where flare comes entirely from paneled construction. They have used two different prints in panels and arranged it really nicely to create such a cohesive look. It has this beautiful sweetheart neckline which is always flattering, and it has this regular 3/4 sleeves, but they have given this elastic detail here which gives it a structured vibe. Kurta is almost maxi length for me, which is super comfortable and wearable. And my favorite part, its back. It has this deep back neckline with tie-up detail. Such a gorgeous little surprise when you turn around. It elevates the whole look. This set comes with simple white fully elasticated trousers. They have little lace detailing on the hemline, which might help to tone down the busy print on the top, but for me kurta is maxi length, so trousers are not visible. I have styled this beautiful set with my silver oxidized jewelry and silver heels with this beautiful silver clutch. This set is something like which you could wear to daytime festive event, lunch get-togethers, even for casual mehendi function. It is a mix of elegant, breezy and little glam. This next one is again from Indoera. Clearly, I am loving their cotton pieces lately. This one is simple floral printed kurta set with trousers. The overall vibe is super relaxed, super flattering. This dress has got this simple round neckline, but it has this pretty galapatti detail which makes it feel instantly more dressed up. But overall silhouette of this dress is quite chill. But what I really love about this set is this pin tuck details at the front. They are not only delicate, but they add such a nice movement and structure to this kurta. And let's be real, they helps in hiding little tummy fat. It comes with solid cropped trousers with half elasticated waistband, which means it is super comfortable for all day wear. Again, the set is made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is soft, breathable, comfy and perfect for hot humid days. For the styling, I kept it really simple and polished with my silver hoops, silver bracelet and my new Must Harbor heels. Definitely they are doing overtime in this haul. Topped it off with my Van Heusen tote bag. This is the look which I 100% wear for any casual work day, lunch meeting, even for travel. It is that comfy. This next one is again from Indo Era. I feel like I am doing Indo Era haul. This set has got everything. It has embroidery, beautiful print, flare, palazzo and a beautiful printed dupatta to tie it all together. This is a pure cotton anarkali style kurta with ethnic motif embroidery on the yoke. Honestly, this embroidery has caught my eye first and it is done in the color which matches with the print on the kurta, which makes it look very cohesive and premium. This has got beautiful round neckline with front notch and it has this beautiful kalapatti detail which you know I love. It has this beautiful 3/4 sleeves which balances the silhouette. Below the yoke there are these pleats which adds the right amount of flare. So this kurta falls really beautifully and doesn't cling at all. This kurta is calf length and set comes with cropped contrasting printed palazzos which is not same as the print of kurta, which actually works perfectly. This print on print combo actually gives this set more depth and character. And this dupatta is really a cherry on the top. This is made in pure cotton fabric which is super soft and lightweight. It is a printed dupatta and print matches with the trousers while the border matches with the kurta, which creates such a nice harmony in the outfit. It feels like everything really thought through without being overly coordinated. I styled it again in very simple jewelry with my pearl hoops, silver bracelet and Must Harbor heels, and I picked up my Van Heusen bag to tie it all together. This set is such a great option when you want to wear something ethnic but low maintenance. This set you can totally wear for festive lunches, family functions, even for a casual day out when you want to look polished. One is from brand Kalini. Such a dreamy floral moment, especially when you love good mix of print but still want clean, elegant silhouette. This is an anarkali style kurta with empire waist, comes with a trouser and dupatta. And I love how beautifully they have combined 3 different prints in this set. It has beautiful round neckline and 3/4 sleeves done in one print, which basically creates the yoke and sleeve. Just below the yoke there is second print which sits perfectly on the empire waist and runs around the back also, which frames the top beautifully. And finally there is third print on the flared part of the kurta, which is full on anarkali style. The gathers add such a lovely flow to this kurta. Kurta is slightly below my calf length and it is made in viscose rayon fabric which drapes beautifully on the body. This set comes with matching printed trousers. They match with the flared part of the kurta, which pulls everything together without being too matchy. And then we have the dupatta, which honestly I am obsessed with. It has all the 3 prints worked into it, and this tassel details around the borders adds that extra touch, like it looks way more expensive than it is. I have styled this set with simple minimal silver jewelry, my Must Harbor heels and current love in my life, my Van Heusen tote bag. This dress is perfect for those days when you want to look dressed up but still comfy. I would totally wear this look for festive gatherings, puja at home, or for those brunches where you want ethnic but effortless vibe. Finally, we are ending this haul on high with floral, layered, beautiful kurta set from brand Aisa Kurti, which I am trying for the first time and I am pleasantly surprised. This one is pure cotton anarkali style kurta set with dupatta. The moment I saw this set, I was like, this is not the regular floral set. First, it has got this beautiful tie-up detail at the front, which creates really cool jacket or shrug kind of effect. It creates that layering effect without actually having to wear that layer. And you know, I am always here for that kind of illusion dressing. This has got simple round neckline and 3/4 sleeves, and the flare is what sold me. This has got tiered flare which gives it so much movement, like it flows with you whenever you walk. And it comes with slightly flared cropped palazzo, which is again printed, and the print matches with the yoke design. So it looks beautifully put together without looking too much matchy. And then it has this beautiful pure cotton dupatta, which is really soft and lightweight, and it has both the prints from kurta and palazzo, which pulls everything together without overpowering it. Again, I styled this look with silver tones with these oxidized jhumkas, bracelet, silver heels, and these cute little contrast clutch. So this one is appropriate for festive gathering, small event at home, or cute cool brunch date. So that's the haul. Soft floral comfy fits and some really pretty pieces I love styling. So tell me in the comments which one was your favorite and what you want to see next. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time with another styling story. Bye.